Hello, and welcome back to Show Builder Tutorials. This is part 2 of our current production page. Now, in the first video, we went over our main toolbar here at the top of the page. If you missed that video, be sure to go back and give it a quick watch. Now, moving forward, directly below our main toolbar is a secondary page-specific toolbar. Now, here you can see the Add button, which should be familiar to you as we saw it originally on the My Productions page. Similarly, this action icon allows you to add a production as well. Now, directly next to that, you can see a drop-down menu. Now, that menu will list all of your active shows and allow you to easily jump between them. Notice that I said active shows. This is because once you archive a show, it will no longer be listed here in this menu. This allows you to keep a short list of your ongoing projects, so you don't have to spend as much time scrolling through your entire history. Now, next to that button is the Duplicate button. This allows you to very simply duplicate your show. This can be very handy if you are doing multiple shows in the same space, or if you have significant overlap of cast, equipment, etc. Instead of having to create a new show for each production, you can use the first show as a template and then go in and make whatever production-specific changes that are necessary. Now, moving right along, here you can see the logo for my show. Directly below that are two action icons. Here you have Add Image and also Delete Image. This allows you to change or add logos as needed. Now, next to that, you can see the production owner listed here. The production owner is essentially the creator of the production. Now, next to that is then an editable box for the name of the production and a second box for the description of your production. To change either of these, you can do so by simply clicking in the box. Now, you'll notice that this page is separated into two parts. And here you can see an adjustable divider that allows you to change the size of each part. To do so, simply bring the cursor to hover above the symbol here, and then you can drag and drop to meet your needs. Now, in the lower section here, you can see a gallery view of the production company. So, once you enter any of that information for your show, you'll be able to see those individuals here at a glance. And this drop-down menu here allows you to toggle between different departments. As you can see, I currently have the cast selected, but I can also easily switch to a different group. So, you can see as I change to creatives, the individuals I have listed in this gallery view changes. Going back to the cast, I'd like to draw your attention down here to the bottom of the page and point out that the cast is listed here in Pages. I currently have 21 people listed in this cast, and because I have my page set to 20 items, that gives me 2 pages. However, those numbers are adjustable, and the page numbers will adjust accordingly. This allows you a more customizable form for organizing and grouping your company members. I also want to mention that page size is extremely important if you're looking to send data to Excel. When you click that particular button, it will only send the information in the current page you are looking at. So, if you want to send the entire acting company, you need to make sure to adjust your page size to do so. If I were to do that right now, I would lose that one company member currently listed on page 2. And that wraps up our basic overview of the current production page. Please check out the rest of our videos for more in-depth tutorials on other pages and features of Show Builder. We hope this was a helpful video for you. And as always, if you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to leave us a comment below or send us an email. Thank you, and break a leg!